Breadfruit by Omaall Wright, directed by Jenai Scott. Big up with heritage, yes, in a heritage face. No junk food, breadfruits are the best. Mix it with the national dish. Me love it with the ackee and saltfish. Big up with heritage, yes, in a heritage face. No junk food, breadfruits are the best. Mix it with the national dish. Me love it with the ackee and saltfish. Eat healthy, bag juice enough for me. Love my breadfruit with a little cocoa-tea. The big tough bone for your bite and chew. Rasta love it in a Ital Stew. It's the vital brew with the Ital. Live a healthy lifestyle like I do. If you want to see me scrape the plate clean, just give me breadfruit with bacon. Big up with heritage, yes, in a heritage face. No junk food, breadfruits are the best. Mix it with the national dish. Love it with the ackee and saltfish. And a if, and a but, and a maybe. Breadfruit is like the new bread, baby. Never had nothing that tastes so good. Let your food be your medicine, your food. My name is Breadfruit, smile with me. In a the tree of